Hello students, in UPSC prelims, polity is the most important topic and around 10 questions every year will come from the polity and most of the questions is coming from the static part. The parliamentary committees are most important part of the preparation in the UPSC prelims. So UPSC has number of times asked about the estimates committee and also other finance committees. So here we have conducted the Padam UPSC prelims test series. Last Sunday we have conducted the polity test. So from that test I have taken one question. Let us see. It is about the parliamentary committees. So here we have matched the following. Which of pairs and the match the following we have taken the question. So first one is about the Public Accounts Committee. It consists of 15 members from the Lok Sabha and 7 members from the Rajya Sabha. As we all know, Public Accounts Committee consists of 21 members and 15 from the Lok Sabha and 7 from the Rajya Sabha. Yes, this one is correctly matched. Second statement, Estimates Committee. It consists of 30 members and all the members are from the Lok Sabha. UPSC previously asked about the Estimates Committee. It is the largest committee in the parliamentary committees. Yes, this one is also correct. Third page, it is about the Public Undertakings Committee. It had 15 members and from the Lok Sabha and 15 members from the Rajya Sabha. As we all know, Public Undertakings Committee, the members is 21 members. It consists of 21 members. And it is similar as the Public Accounts Committee. 15 members comes from the Lok Sabha and 7 members from the Rajya Sabha. So, this statement is wrong. The statement has given 15 from the Lok Sabha and 15 from the Rajya Sabha. Actually, it should be the 7 members from the Rajya Sabha. So, third pair is wrong. Coming to options, which one of the above pairs are correct? Only 2 are correct. So, hence parliamentary committees are very important from the UPSC prelims perspective. So, we at Sharat Chandra IAS Academy are following the same pattern which the UPSC is following. So, we have started UPSC Padam prelims test series. To the benefit of the student community, we are providing at a very minimal cost of 100 rupees. So, come and practice every Sunday. Let us grow together. Happy learning. Thank you.